Italian cooking is very simple, but it's not easy.
Marcella Hazan was the person who helped you transmit love to somebody through the kitchen.
Julia Child has called her my mentor in all things Italian.
She is to Italian cooking what Muhammad Ali is to boxing, the champ.
Marcella Hazan.
Marcella Hazan.
Marcella Hazan.
Most people in America had never really experienced Italian food like people eat in Italy.
When I grew up, we didn't have extra virgin olive oil, we didn't have arugula, we didn't have radicchio.
We didn't even know what risotto was.
She unlocked one of the greatest joys in the world, which are the culinary pleasures of Italy.
It was a revelation.
The woman was an intelligent, trained scientist.
I never cooked in my life until I married. I never boiled water if it was not in the beaker in the laboratory.
Marcella realized that there had always been a cook inside her. She decides to begin teaching Italian cooking to American women. Marcella gets a call.
She said, would you like to do a cookbook? A cookbook?
I decided it was impossible because I don't write in English. And Peter said, well, if you want, I will translate.
And in less than a year, we had produced a book that made history.
She was an absolute perfectionist. There was only one way of doing things.
She has no qualms about saying if you're doing something wrong.
And if she didn't feel something was right, she voiced it.
People in power, especially in the food world, find very threatening a woman who has the guts to stand up for herself.
I'm in awe of you. I always have been.
Thank you.
To you, Marcella, and for all the good that you did to America's food. Thank you.